This is the Jackal drone, an innovation that pushes the boundaries of military technology. This isn't just any drone, it's a game changer in the world of modern warfare. For the first time in British military history, during live fire testing, it successfully launched a missile capable of obliterating tanks, boats, and virtually any target in its path. But that's just scratching the surface. The Jackal drone possesses a groundbreaking capability so advanced, it promises to revolutionize modern warfare forever. While the Ministry of Defense remains tight-lipped about the full scope of the program, some tantalizing details have emerged. These snippets offer a glimpse into a future where the Jackal drone stands at the forefront of military innovation. This state-of-the-art drone, developed in collaboration with partner nations, is designed to encapsulate an entire air force in a single versatile package. Imagine an autonomous powerhouse ready to dominate airspace and deliver unparalleled precision strikes. The Jackal is not just a drone, it's a monumental leap forward in defense technology. The unstoppable Jackal drone. Introducing the Jackal drone, a marvel of modern engineering that's set to revolutionize the battlefield in ways previously unimaginable. The Royal Air Force has described this drone as lightweight, but its exact weight remains a closely guarded secret. With a wingspan of 5 meters, or 15 feet, this agile powerhouse can carry a staggering 50 kilograms of payload. Current trials are ambitiously pushing this capacity to 65 kilograms, despite some conflicting reports suggesting a mere 15 kilograms. Trust the 50 kilograms figure. It comes straight from the manufacturer's details. But the weight isn't the most intriguing aspect. Take a closer look at the Jackal, and you'll see a masterpiece of engineering. This electric propulsion system features 2 main methods of thrust generation. The first involves 4 twin counter-rotating propellers that enable vertical takeoff and landing. Once airborne, the Jackal switches to its 4 wing-mounted electric ducted fan engines for high-speed operations. With a cruising speed of 108 kilometers per h and a maximum burst speed of 160 kilometers per h, this drone is impressively fast for its size. The Jackal can soar to a remarkable altitude of 10,000 feet and boasts a range of 130 kilometers. Its ability to hover in place and reposition as needed adds to its versatility. But what's a Jackal without its teeth? In this case, the Jackal's teeth are its formidable weapon systems. The drone can deploy several glide bomb-type bomblets, but its most powerful asset is the Fails-Light multi-role missile, commonly known as the Martlet. The Martlet missile is a groundbreaking addition to the UK's arsenal, designed as a versatile one-size-fits-all solution. Weighing 13 kilograms and measuring just over 4 meters long, this missile is a game-changer. Recent military symposium photos reveal that the Jackal can carry at least 2 Martlet missiles, further discrediting the 15 kilograms payload claim. These images clearly demonstrate the Jackal's ability to handle at least a 26 kilograms payload, making the 50 kilograms figure all the more credible. The future of aerial warfare. The Jackal offers several warhead configurations, ensuring it's ready for any mission. Whether it's a tank, a building, or infantry in the open, this drone has the firepower to get the job done. And it's not just about the payload, it's about speed. The Martlet missile it carries is a marvel of engineering. With a classified speed of at least 1.5 Mach, or around 1,670 feet per second, it's faster than anything we've seen before. But speed comes at a price. Operators must get dangerously close to their targets, with a maximum range of just 6 kilometers. Despite this risk, the Jackal's capabilities far outweigh the danger. But what truly sets the Jackal apart is its versatility. It's not just a weapon, it's a multi-mission platform. Equipped with infrared cameras, thermal cameras, HD TV cameras, and signals collection equipment, it can conduct intelligence and surveillance missions with ease. And thanks to its low radar cross-section, no thermal signature, and minimal noise, it can do so undetected. But that's not all. The Jackal can be incorporated into broader air defense or area denial networks thanks to its secure data link capabilities. With Link 11 or similar data links, it can receive information from other units beyond its line of sight, helping prevent friendly fire incidents in highly contested airspaces. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Jackal is its autonomy. Reports suggest it may be the world's first fully autonomous armed drone. If true, this would be a game changer. Imagine setting a flight path, giving it a mission, and letting it do the rest. It's a concept straight out of science fiction, but it could soon be a reality. So how did this revolutionary drone come to be? It all started with a collaboration between UK company Flyby Technology and Turkish partner Fly BVO's technology. After months of research and development, they developed a working prototype that achieved its first successful flight in April of 2022. A night of stealth and strategy. Countries worldwide have clamored to acquire this cutting-edge technology. Taiwan has already secured a contract for at least 160 drones, while Ukraine eagerly awaits its turn. In Ukraine, where drone warfare is a daily reality, the Jackal's arrival could tip the scales in their favor. But how would they employ such a weapon on the fiercely contested battlefields of Donbass? Picture this: a group of refurbished T-62 tanks, relics from Russia's storage park, trundled towards a Ukrainian village. Despite their age, these tanks pack a lethal punch, posing a significant threat to Ukrainian forces. But with constant drone surveillance, the Ukrainian troops are prepared for any threat. As the Russians advance under the cover of darkness, Ukrainian ground operators relay vital intelligence to the Jackal drone unit. Thanks to Starlink technology, Ukrainian commanders have real-time visibility of the battlefield. It's in these critical moments that the Jackal comes into play. Amidst the chaos, the Jackal takes flight, silently slicing through the night sky towards the besieged village. Armed with thermal cameras, it stalks its prey with deadly precision. But suddenly, disaster strikes. A Russian jammer disrupts the connection between the operator and the drone. In a heartbeat, the mission hangs in the balance. Yet, the Jackal isn't like other drones. Despite the jamming attack, it presses on, guided by its autonomous programming. With preset waypoints and a built-in target library, it navigates towards its objective with unwavering determination. Silent guardian of the battlefield. Ukrainian forces locked in a fierce battle in the heart of Donbass. As static positions are shared with the drone via data link, the Jackal prepares to unleash its deadly payload. But here's the twist. It knows precisely where not to fire, ensuring the safety of friendly troops. As the Jackal closes in on its target, Russian troops draw closer to the besieged village. Oblivious to the looming threat above, they believe themselves safe within their own lines. Little do they know, the Jackal is silently tracking their every move. With lethal precision, the Jackal lets loose its Martlet missiles, targeting the unsuspecting Russian tanks. In a flash of brilliance, the deadly payloads find their mark, obliterating 2 tanks with deadly precision. The hapless Russians, caught off guard, stand no chance against the Jackal's relentless onslaught. Despite the chaos, the Jackal remains undeterred. Even without control due to the jamming attack, it returns to its center, completing its mission with unwavering determination. As the smoke clears, Ukrainian forces celebrate another successful strike, courtesy of the Jackal drone. This is more than just a story of technology. It's a testament to the power of innovation in the face of adversity. The Jackal serves as a beacon of hope for those without strong air forces, leveling the playing field and giving them a fighting chance against their adversaries.